Today's tech tip is all about Jamboard. So if you go to your Google waffle in the top right corner and scroll down to the Jamboard icon, click on that, it's going to take you to something like this. These are all my Jamboards from the year. I'm going to go ahead and click on one so you can see what it looks like. Here's my jam. You can title it just like you would any other Google file. Clearing the frame takes everything off the frame, so I did that right before I started this. You can change the background to look however you like. You've got dots, note card style, blue graph, gray graph, blue board, chalkboard, or you can add an image to your background. So there's what it looks like with the dots. You've got the pen/marker/paintbrush/highlighter option with these 6 colors. You can't change that right now. You can erase that, so I'll show you. You can erase that with the eraser. You've got the arrows so that you can move and manipulate items. The most popular feature is the sticky note. You can change the color of that. Just by hitting save, it automatically pops up on your Jamboard. When you're done creating sticky notes, click cancel. These are easy to move around. You can rotate them. You can make them smaller or bigger. And by clicking on those 3 dots, you can edit it or duplicate it, delete it, or change the order. If it's over on top of something, you can move it backwards to make it look how you'd like it to look. You have an image option, which is really great. You can look in Google Photos, your Drive, you can take a picture in your camera, submit it by URL, or upload something from your computer, or of course, you can Google search it. Insert and easily move around, manipulate, rotate, duplicate, delete, or reorder. You have different options for shapes that you can insert. And again, rotate, move around. And you've got your text options. So click wherever you'd like your text to be, and your text options will pop up over here on the top menu. Change your size using this menu, but you currently cannot change the font. You can change the color to one of those 6 colors again, or the orientation of your writing. Finally, you have the laser pointer. So if you are doing this in class and you wanted to draw attention to something without actually having to draw on it, this is probably a little bit easier to see than your mouse, and it leaves that lasting mark and then disappears. So if I want everyone to look at this adorable puppy, I can draw around it, and then it eventually disappears so that I can move on. Up here you can navigate between different frames, so by clicking to the next frame, you can move on to the next frame, or you can click this drop down menu and select the frame you'd like to be on. If you have multiple people on a Jamboard, this is where you're going to see where they're at. Their little icons will pop up here for their profile so you can see which frame that they are working on, and that is Jamboard.